Well, time to look at another new chair this year. This one's from Outwell. It's the Tryfan. Now, it's a chair that's very similar to ones we reviewed from Robins before, because a lot of the Outwell chairs are very big, comfortable camping chairs. But this is small. Look at that pack size. It's lightweight. And when it comes together, it should look something like that. So let's get this out. I've not put this up, not got this out and put up before, so let's see what it looks like in the bag. So obviously it comes with its own travel bag, which is always helpful. Oh, some instructions. And the chair, and the legs. Okay, let's put it together. Here are the instructions. Okay, you got that? So, get the legs together, put the cover on. Simple, eh? Let's give it a go. Sorted. The chair set up. A little tricky putting that in. I know, similar to some Robins chairs we've had before. Might be needed to put in the top ones. Just making sure the backs are positioned correctly. But there you are. Lightweight chair, bucket seat. It's quite comfortable actually. So we need to go and give it to the boss and see what she makes of it. Well, how's that then?
That's okay, yeah. Comfortable. Pillow there.
So you can sit there
and drink loads of cups of tea.
with loads of cups of tea whilst I
Whilst you do all the work.
do the work. Okay, that's
That's
good.
about right.
That's about right, yeah. So yeah, it's a handy little chair. Doesn't take a lot of space, unlike some of the other big camping chairs. So again, if you're packing light, it's ideal. So let's compare the Yellowstone Lake camping chair from Outwell, which is excellent, really comfortable, to the new little Tryfan. So obviously the Yellowstone Lake chair is a fully fledged chair. It's going to be comfortable. It is very comfortable. It's very nice, but it is larger and heavier. So just look at the difference in pack size compared to the new Tryfan bags. So yeah, so if you want to take a few chairs and you're short on space, obviously that's an option. So let's get the Yellowstone Lake out and put it side by side. So there's the two chairs side by side, and obviously the Yellowstone Lake is a bigger chair. It's a lot heavier. It's got a lot of padding material there on it, and you can lift up the handles and it reclines as well. The other one is more of a basic chair, but you can see it's on the similar, it's got the similar DNA, it's got the similar sort of cotton fabric feel. Got a little bit of padding on the pillow there. But yeah, they're the two chairs side by side. So obviously Yellowstone Lake is a lot more comfortable, as you would expect. But that's good enough, but that is a fraction of the size and weight to take. So yeah, so you got the choices between the two. But yeah, the Tryfan Nice little addition, easy to throw in with the camping gear, and another little chair.